Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share exactly how I went from $0 to $1,312 on Etsy in just 30 days. Yes, you heard that right, $1,312 in 1 month, and I'm breaking down the entire strategy for you step by step so you can do it too. Whether you're brand new to Etsy or you've been struggling to make consistent sales, this video is going to be packed with tips, tricks, and real-life examples. So stick around, grab a notebook, and let's get started. Section 1. Setting up for success. This is where the groundwork happens. I didn't just throw up a random product and expect sales to come rolling in. Nope. Here's what I did during the first days to set myself up for success. Step 1. Market research. All right, I know a lot of you might be wondering, how do I even figure out what's selling well on Etsy? Here's the exact process I used to get those insights. First, I went straight to Etsy and searched for products in the niche I was interested in. For example, if you're thinking of selling jewelry, just type in handmade jewelry or something more specific like boho earrings. What you want to pay attention to are the best-selling listings. Look for items with a lot of reviews and those marked as bestseller or popular now. This is Etsy's way of signaling that those products are in high demand. Step 2. Niche down and find your products. Some of you might be wondering, what does it mean to niche down? Well, Etsy is a massive marketplace, and if you try to sell to everyone, you'll end up getting lost in the crowd. Niching down means getting specific, really specific about the type of products you're selling and who you're selling to. It's about finding a smaller, more defined audience rather than competing with everyone in a broader category. For example, instead of just selling jewelry, which is super broad and competitive, you could niche down to a boho gemstone earrings or minimalist silver rings. By focusing on a smaller audience with a unique product, you stand out and can more easily build a loyal customer base. How to choose a niche correctly. But how do you actually choose a niche that's going to work? Here are a few key criteria to consider. Demand. Is there demand for this niche? You can check this by using tools like Marmalead, eRank, or even just searching on Etsy and looking for products with lots of reviews. If you see high demand products of not too many sellers, that's a good sign. Competition. You want a niche with some demand, but not one that's oversaturated. If there are thousands of listings for similar products, it's going to be tough to get noted. Look for gaps in the market products people are searching for, but that don't have a ton of sellers. Passion and expertise. Are you passionate about this niche? It's important because you'll be working on it every day. If you're knowledgeable about the products or the audience, that's an added bonus. Product scalability. Can you easily create these products, or do you have access to them without a ton of hassle? Look for products that are easy to make or source in bulk so you can scale when the sales start coming in. Tools to help you niche down. To help narrow down my niche, I relied on some key tools. Marmalead and eRank are fantastic for this. They'll show you which niches are trending, how much competition there is, and give you keyword insights to confirm whether your niche is in demand. I also use Google Trends to check the popularity of certain products outside of Etsy. For example, you can compare the search volume of 2 niche ideas to see which one is gaining more traction over time. Another helpful tool is Pinterest. If something is popular on Pinterest, there's a high chance it'll do well on Etsy too, because they share a similar creative, shopping-focused audience. Look at what's trending in your niche and see if you can find a unique spin on it. To sum it up, choosing the right niche is about finding that sweet spot between demand and competition, while making sure you enjoy the work and can scale your product line. By niching down, you're positioning yourself in a smaller, less crowded space where your products can shine. Step 3. Keywords. Now, let's talk keywords, because without the right ones, it's hard for people to find your product. I use tools like Marmalead and eRank to discover what keywords shoppers are actually using. These apps help you figure out which keywords are high in demand but low in competition, which is exactly what you want. They'll show you things like search volume, competition levels, and trends so you can strategically choose which keywords to target. Marmalade even gives you suggestions based on successful listings. And eRank has a free version that's super helpful when you're starting out. Pro tips. Don't just look at what's selling well, also pay attention to what isn't. You'll often find gaps in the market where you can slide in and offer something unique. Don't limit yourself to just Etsy. I also checked out what was trending on platforms like Pinterest and Google Trends to find emerging product ideas and keywords. Pinterest is basically a visual search engine, so if something is gaining traction there, it's likely to do well on Etsy too. Market research takes some time, but trust me, it's worth it. Getting these insights upfront is like having a roadmap to success. Plus, by knowing exactly what people are searching for and what products they're buying, you're setting yourself up for a much better chance of making sales from the start. Step 4, optimizing your shop. Now that you've got your niche and have keywords ready to use, it's time to optimize your Etsy shop so it stands out and attracts buyers. You might be thinking, what exactly do I need to optimize? We're talking about everything: your shop name, banner, profile, and tags. Here's how I did it. Optimizing your shop name, banner, and profile. First up, your shop name. Choose something that's easy to remember, reflects what you sell, and gives off the right vibe for your niche. If possible, include a keyword that relates to your products. For example, if you sell handmade candles, something like Luxe Glow Candles instantly tells customers what you're about. Next, your banner and profile picture. You can create professional-looking banners using Canva, which is free and super easy to use. Make sure your banner reflects your brand colors and style. It's the first thing people see when they visit your shop, so make it visually appealing. As for your profile picture, keep it professional but friendly. Customers want to know who they're buying from, so a clear headshot or your logo works well. Where to create a professional logo. Speaking of logos, you don't have to be a graphic designer to have a great one. I used Canva to create my logo. It's simple, intuitive, and you can customize it easily to fit your brand. If you prefer something custom-made, you can also hire a designer on Fiverr for a budget-friendly option. A professional logo helps build trust with your customers and gives your shop that polished look. And there you have it, my setting up for success strategy for going from $0 to $1,312 on Etsy in just 30 days. In the next video, I'm going to dive deep into how I created my winning product listings step by step, with all the details that help make my listings stand out and convert to sales. You won't want to miss it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. See you in the next one.